What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the set. Today, we're going to dive into the latest edition of the LEGO Transformers lineup, the Bumblebee set 10338. Now, if you're a fan of Legos and Transformers, you are definitely in for a treat with this one. Now, to start off, the set just released on July 1st for insiders or VIP or basically anybody who has an email with Lego, and released to the general public on July 4th. Now it's priced at $89.99 and it comes with 950 pieces, and spoiler alert, just like the Optimus Prime, it actually transforms, right? So let's unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Now, as you can see, the set includes a variety of yellow elements that brings Bumblebee to life, because, you know, what's Bumblebee without that yellow, that deep, loud yellow, right? But there are also some new molds specifically designed for this set, which is always exciting for Lego enthusiasts, which I'm new to the club. So all you Lego enthusiasts, don't jump on my head because I misquoted or said something was a brick when it was a Technic piece, all that good stuff. I'm just here for Bumblebee and Optimus Prime and Star Wars, and you get the picture, right? So this build was quite engaging, with about a dozen steps to switch between the Bumblebee version, the robots version, to the VW Bug. Now, I say that, but it's in reverse, right? If you follow the app, right, you start off, you build this thing first in the VW Beetle, right? And then towards the end of the manual in the book, it gives you the instructions of how to transform it into its robot form. Now, it's very impressive of how Lego managed to capture the essence, the true essence of Bumblebee in the G1 design from the 1980s cartoon, for which I am a 80s baby. So this was a must-have, 100% must-have for me, with my collecting of toys, electronics, and sneakers. Oh wait, that's the set. Sneakers, electronics, toys. That's what we do here, man. Now, me being new to the whole Transformers, Lego space, when I attempted to turn this thing into its robot form, it definitely was not the easiest process, but that's not a fault of Lego, that's a fault of me and not knowing how to hold the figure in the correct manner without popping off a piece. Now, I'll say that, but this set is definitely sturdy. I can tell you that. It's a lot more sturdy and a lot more easier to move around and maneuver than the Optimus Prime version, which kind of weird because the Optimus Prime version was $180 when I bought it versus the $80 that, well, the retail price of $90 for this one, which I didn't pay that much because I had some Lego rewards and I had Disney annual pass discount. So I walked out of there paying $54 for this set, which is an absolute win for me. So when it comes to build quality, I do believe that the Bumblebee version is a lot better for sturdiness and transforming than the Optimus Prime version. So yeah, now as you can see, when I finally got this thing put together, it became the ultimate piece for my office setup, for decor, and to show my fandom to anybody who decides they want to walk into my quote unquote man cave office moratorium of sneakers or mausoleum of sneakers, whatever you want to call it, right? It's a fitting piece, right? I actually like it. I really like it. But I would be remiss to say if I wasn't looking for a Decepticon next. Gotta have one. And you all know who it is, right? Who is it? Starscream? No, we looking for Megatron. that's the one. You got Optimus Prime, we got Bumblebee, two of the most iconic Transformers in that universe. But number 3 is definitely Megatron, right? So looking forward to Lego and what they are going to drop next. I hope it's not a long gap between these drops before we get a Decepticon, because I think that'll really set the collection off, or the set off. So yeah, with that, Lego, I know you might watch this, you might not, I don't know, but we need Megatron. We definitely need Megatron. Now overall, right, the Lego Bumblebee set is a must-have for any Transformers fan. It's practical, it's nostalgic, and just to be honest with you, it's just plain fun and therapeutic for someone like me. And if you're a Legos fan, yeah, when you can get a set that's a 2-in-1, where you can take it and transform it into something else. And I know all you master Lego builders are out there like, oh, you can do that with any of your blocks and pieces. Look, my brain don't work like that. I got other stuff to do, okay? And yes, that may be therapeutic too, but I can see me pull. Oh wait, I don't have any hair to pull out. But if I did, I would probably be trying to pull my hair out to become a master Lego builder, and that's just not happening. So this is definitely a piece for the shelf. It incites fun. The kids love it, and yeah, this is a great addition to my newly started Lego collection, right? So thanks for watching, man. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like, comment, gotta do that, and the subscribe button, so you can see me at my glory and doing sneaker reviews, electronic reviews, and reviews on toys like this one, because I got another Lego set that I'm about to get my hands on and start putting that together. I don't know if I'm gonna do it this weekend, but definitely gonna get my hands on it and start doing that. So if you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section. So again, happy building, happy sneaker hunting, and yeah, that's all I got. This your boy Money Matt, bro. Holla at you from the set. Peace.